Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to this session. My name is Raj Sankar at SRIRAM IAS. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. Our topic is today how India modernized without losing its tradition. So today our discussion would be on this topic. This is a very nice topic because now there is a much debates in India whether modernity and tradition are enemies to one another, whether modernity will replace tradition or tradition and modernity can coexist, or there can be modernization of India, but tradition will also exist and tradition will make adaptation according to the changed need. So what is the real condition? With regard to that, we have not a single opinion, rather than we have a number of opinion. So first, right, the question first is how India is how India modernized, without losing its traditions. So this is the question, how India modernized without losing its tradition. This is the discussion. Now, here the two key words are, first is the modernity and second one is the tradition. Let us define briefly, thereafter we'll try to correlate how both are there. In this respect, there are different opinions. So first, when we talk about modernize, when we use the term modernize is derived from the term modernity. So when we say something modernity, right? When we say modernity, modernity means simply way of life or the way to look towards something, that is characterized as new or modern. So modernization means modernity means the replacement of something, replacement of tradition by the new one, and this is defined in terms of this one. And now, so modernized means another term when we use modernize term means make something modern. Means when we talk about it, means it related to make something modern or updated. Make something modern or updated. This is the meaning of the modernized. Or another meaning we can say, the modernized means also that we can say change from agrarian to industrial. So this is the meaning of the modernization, right? This is the meaning of the modernization when we talk about, right? Now, second word is the first word I told you, modernity. The second one when we talk about the tradition. Second word is the tradition. And tradition means what? Do you know what tradition? Tradition means that exist or simply tradition means the norms, values, ideas and culture. That is norms, values, ideas and culture that exist since past and passed down generation to generation, right? Generation to generation. Now these two words have mentioned about here. First word is the modernization, modernity, second one is the tradition. So modernity, when we talk about, modernity is a way of life or way to look towards something that is characterized as new or modern, right? Or making something modern or updated or change from agrarian to industrial. These are the meanings that modernity basically refers to. First word meaning clear. Second word is tradition, means norms, values, ideas, culture that pass on from generation to generation, that pass on from one generation to another, that is followed since past and it is transmitted to the next generation. Two words are there. Now our question is how India modernized without losing its significance. Now regarding this matter, there are two perspectives. Regarding tradition and modernity, we have two perspectives in India and across the world. One perspective is that is considered the perspective of, that we can say, total modernity. One perspective is a perspective of total modernity. And second perspective is that is considered, that is gradual modernity, or that is a gradual modernity, right? That is gradual modernity. Two perspectives are there. The total modernity perspective, so the absolute modernity. This perspective say that this perspective simply say that modernity replaces traditions. This perspective simply say modernity replaces a tradition, or modernization comes at the cost of tradition. So when there is a modernization, it negotiates with the tradition and tradition is replaced. But this perspective is not applicable to India. Total modernity kahan par ho raha hai? This perspective somehow it may happen in the Europe, like European countries. They are sometimes considered total modernity, replace the traditions in India. In India's context, we can discuss about the gradual modernity. Gradual modernity means modernization in India is basically happening adaptive change. Modernization in India is taking place in terms of the adaptive change. You may be knowing the name of Yogendra Singh. Yogendra Singh, the great sociologist of India, and Y. Singh, popularly he is known as Y. Singh. Yogendra Singh, he authored a book. The title of the book is Modernization. Modernization of Indian tradition. No? Yogendra Singh has mentioned a book, Modernization of Indian tradition. And in this book, Yogendra Singh simply says, Yogendra Singh tried to understand that modernization has not replaced tradition in India, right? Yogendra Singh in his book Modernization of Indian Tradition, simply he says that modernity or modernization, modernity has not replaced traditions in India, right? Traditions in India. योगेंद्र सिंह कहते हैं कि भाई मॉडर्नाइजेशन तो इंडिया में हो रहा है, बट मॉडर्नाइजेशन हमारे ट्रेडिशन को रिप्लेस नहीं कर रहा है, हमारा ट्रेडिशन को खत्म नहीं कर रहा है. रादर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, तो हो क्या रहा है, हो ये रहा है एग्जैक्टली. सो बोथ को एग्जिस्ट इन इंडिया, बोथ को एग्जिस्ट इन इंडिया. कह रहे मॉडर्नाइजेशन ट्रेडिशन को रिप्लेस नहीं कर रहा है, मॉडर्नाइजेशन और रिप्लेसिंग ट्रेडिशन इन इंडिया, रादर बोथ को एग्जिस्ट, दोनों का साथ साथ अस्तित्व है. मॉडर्नाइजेशन भी इंडिया में रह रहा है, ट्रेडिशन भी रह रहा है. सो एग्जैक्टली ट्रेडिशंस आर नॉट बीइंग रिप्लेस्ड, रादर ट्रेडिशंस आर बीइंग मॉडर्नाइज्ड, ट्रेडिशंस आर बीइंग मॉडर्नाइज्ड. दिस इज हैपनिंग इन इंडिया. सो दिस इज हैपनिंग इन इंडिया. यूरोप में क्या हो रहा है, लीनियर प्रोसेस. इन यूरोप लीनियर प्रोसेस, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द यूरोप, लीनियर प्रोसेस. Tradition now replaced by the modernity. So in Europe, linear process, tradition being replaced by modernity. Such thing is not happening in India. In India, tradition and modernity exist side by side. They have coexistence. Therefore, in his book, He tried to say how these are being not replaced. In fact, he says that tradition is a very flexible, and therefore we can say that now there is a reinterpretation and adoption within modern framework. So what is happening in our country, that what is happening after modernization in India? What is happening in India as per Y Singh? As per Y Singh, traditions are reinterpreted and being adopted in modern framework. He simply says, Yogendra Singh says, actually traditions are not being replaced, rather traditions are reinterpreted and being adopted in modern framework, and therefore traditions are not being replaced. This is the idea. Now, how can we say, what are the features on the basis of which we can say that traditions and modernity coexist in India? Some points we can mention here. How coexist? How the traditions and modernity in India, how coexist? दोनों साथ साथ कैसे coexist करता है? दोनों साथ साथ कैसे coexist करता है? तो इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हम 2-3 पॉइंट डालेंगे. पहले देखिएगा, सबसे पहले एक आजकल इंडिया में क्या हो रहा है? फर्स्ट, डिजिटल प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ आर्ट्स. डिजिटल प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ आर्ट, हमारी धरोहर योजना सरकार चला रही है ना, हमारी धरोहर योजना. डिजिटल प्रिजर्वेशन ऑफ द आर्ट, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, इंडिया इज प्रोमोटिंग ग्लोबल वेलनेस. आज इंडिया में योगा कल्चर एंड Ayurveda, yoga and Ayurveda across the world being preserved in India. So now how these traditions we try to maintain in the modern form. थर्ड कह रहे हैं आजकल इंडिया में देखिएगा, देयर इज अ ग्रोथ ऑफ कॉस्ट्यूम्स में क्या हो रहा है आजकल? मॉडर्न हैंडलूम्स. The best example of the modern handlooms is the Khadi. How it is exists now being modernized in terms of dress sense in India. And now next we can say that technology based rituals. When rituals are performed in India, now we are trying to say virtual pilgrimage. Many people in India who are not able to go to one part to another, but now through television, through the mass media, they're able to connected or be like connected and globally participating. Virtual participation is there, though physical participation cannot be there. Next, consider in India what is happening today. There is a rise of digital religion. And digital religion, do you know, Hari Katha, different channels are there like Astha, Arihant, and through this Hari Katha are being spread across the world. So mass media have played very important role to reinforce and re-establish our traditional faith, traditional belief, traditional religion, and the traditional yoga system, spiritualism, and connection between the two, connected to the ashrams. And finally, sixth one we can say the celebration of festivals. And media. If you think about Holi, Deepavali, Dasahara, all these are celebrated on a large scale, and media has played very important role in creating the ideas. So on the basis of these points, we can say that traditions are not being replaced. Rather, many cultural values, ideas of marriage, ideas of family, then morality, spiritualism coexist. So still we are enjoying our traditional, the cultural costumes, traditional cultural items, values in modern form, and by use of technology, we are gradually modernizing them and making it global presence. Therefore, we can say that traditions in India are not being replaced by modernity. So India, modernization and tradition exist side by side, both have coexistence. So tradition not replaced by modernity, rather they have the coexistence. And this feature is actually known as the Indianization of tradition, or we can say modernization of Indian tradition, or modernization of Indian tradition, or we can say traditions are or modernization are being Indianized, and therefore they exist in finest way. Hence, our conclusion is that both have complementary and supplementary to one another. We are using modern techniques and way of life to preserve our culture, tradition and way of life. This is our discussion, and I think now this discussion would be very, very helpful to all of you. Thank you very much for this discussion, and because you all people now properly paid the attention. Now let us go to wind up this discussion. Thank you very much. Take care. Have a good day.